Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you an easy fall garland tutorial, and this would be perfect if you have a TV above your mantle. If you just have decorative artwork or a mirror above your mantle, then this garland is still perfect for you, and it's so simple to make. First, I started out with 2 garlands, and I just overlap them to make it fuller. You can use 1 or you can use 2 or 3. It just depends on how much you want to spend and how full you want it. Then you're going to need 2 kind of fern-like pieces, longer wispy pieces for each end. Then I wanted something to hang down, so I picked up 3 of these kind of like grass-like pieces, and I just pushed them into the garland. Didn't trim anything, but I did have to fold the one in the center to make it work. So now I'm adding a couple, 2 pieces of these pretty yellow flowers, actually 3, not 2. Just push the stem into the garland. Now we're adding some fun round flowers or flower balls into the center, and just spread it out and fluff as you go. Now we're adding some sunflowers. Next we're going to fill in with 3 of these berry bushes, and they're similar to the garland, so I added 3. And then of course we need some pumpkins for fall, so I'm just sticking them into the garland. Just push the stem right in, that way you can use them next year for something else or another DIY. So here's how it looks. I love the grass hanging down, and then I love the different textures. So remember, when you're choosing your flowers, choose a variety of colors and textures that work well together. I did remove the sunflowers, and I added some pumpkins and some candlesticks. Now I do want to get something else with height for the center, but here's how it looks so far. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.